Hello students, welcome to social science class. Let's start with chapter 2 of geography, physical features of India. India is a vast country with varied landforms. Our country has practically all major physical features of the earth, that is mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus and islands. But how these features have been formed? India is a large landmass formed during different geological periods which has influenced her relief. Now, formation of physical features can be explained with the help of some theories, and one such theory is the theory of plate tectonics. Now, what is the theory of plate tectonics? It is a theory which explains the formation of physical features on the earth. According to this theory, the crust of the earth has been formed out of 7 major and some minor plates. These major plates are the Pacific plate, the North American plate, the South American plate, the Eurasian plate, the African plate, the Indo-Austrian plate, the Antarctic plate. The movement of the plates results in the building up of stresses within the plates and the continental rocks above, leading to folding, faulting and volcanic activity. Now you must be thinking, what is folding and faulting? Folding is a process that produces folds or bends in rocks due to compressional forces acting on layers of rock in the earth's crust. Faulting is when the rocks are subjected to tensional forces, they are stretched in opposite direction. Due to this stretching, the rocks get fractured, and this fracturing of rocks is called faulting. Now, plate movements. Plate movements are classified into 3 types, as you can see in the picture: convergent, divergent and transform. Now, in convergent boundary, the plates moves towards each other, as you can see in the picture also. In the divergent boundary, 2 plates move away from each other, and in transform boundary, 2 plates move horizontally passing each other. I will again explain this picture. In convergent boundary, the 2 plates move towards each other. In divergent boundary, 2 plates move away from each other, and in transform boundary, 2 plates move horizontally passing each other. India has 6 main physical features. In part 2 of this chapter's video, I will explain you all these 6 features. The Gondwana land was an ancient supercontinent located in southern hemisphere, which included the present-day South America, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. The conventional current split the crust into a number of pieces, leading to drifting of the Indo-Austrian plate. Due to the collision, the rocks which were accumulated, known as tethys, were folded to form the mountain system of Western Asia and Himalaya. A flat land of extensive alluvial deposits led to the formation of the northern plains of India. The peninsular plateau is composed of igneous and metamorphic rocks with gently rising hills and wide valleys. I hope these topics are clear to you. Thank you, children.